Have you ever felt this strange problem? You understand English, but when it is your turn to speak, your mind becomes blank? Do you know grammar rules, watch English videos, learn vocabulary, but still feel nervous when speaking? What if one free tool could become your personal English teacher anytime, anywhere? Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are learning one of the smartest modern methods to improve English at home, using ChatGPT as your daily English partner. You do not always need an expensive course. You do not always need a classroom. And you do not even need a speaking partner every day. If you use ChatGPT correctly, it can help you improve speaking, grammar, vocabulary, writing, listening, and confidence. And today I will show you step by step how to do that in a practical way. First, let's begin with the biggest problem most learners have, speaking.
Lesson 1. Use ChatGPT for real conversation practice. Many students study English for years, but still cannot speak naturally. Why? Because English is not learned only by reading rules. It becomes strong when you use it in conversation. ChatGPT gives you a safe place to practice daily conversation without fear. You can write, "Talk to me in simple English like a friend." Then ChatGPT starts asking questions. For example, "What did you do today?" You answer, "I woke up early and went to work." Example 2, "What food do you like most?" You answer, "I like rice and chicken because it is simple and tasty." Example 3, "What is your future goal?" You answer, "I want to improve my English and grow my career." Why this works? When you answer daily questions, your brain starts building sentence habits. You stop translating too much. Your answers become faster. Common mistake. Many learners type only one-word answers. Bad answer, office. Better answer, I went to the office and completed my work. Always train yourself to answer in full sentences. Powerful extra trick. Speak your answer loudly before typing it. Because speaking uses mouth movement, pronunciation muscles, and confidence. Even if you are alone, speak loudly. That physical speaking practice matters a lot. Lesson 2. Improve grammar naturally with ChatGPT. Many learners think grammar means memorizing difficult rules. But grammar becomes easier when you correct your own mistakes. Use ChatGPT like your grammar teacher. Write your sentence naturally, even if wrong. For example, "I go market yesterday." Ask, "Correct this sentence and explain simply." Correct version, "I went to the market yesterday." Example 2, "She don't like tea." Correct version, "She doesn't like tea." Example 3, "I am work here since 2 years." Correct version, "I have worked here for 2 years." Why this method is powerful? Because you learn grammar through your own mistakes, not random textbook rules. That creates stronger memory. Common mistake. Many learners only read correction but do not compare deeply. Ask yourself, why did go become went? Why did don't become doesn't? That thinking builds grammar naturally. Strong prompt to use daily. Correct my grammar and explain like I am a beginner. Lesson 3, build vocabulary that you actually use. Many people memorize long word lists and forget them quickly. Why? Because unused words disappear fast. You must learn vocabulary through usage. Best method, learn by topic. Ask ChatGPT, "Give me 10 daily use words about office." Example topic, office. Deadline. Meeting. Report. Example sentences. I must finish this report today. We have a meeting at 3 p.m. The deadline is tomorrow. Powerful vocabulary trick. Ask me questions using these words. This forces active use. Common mistake. Many learners learn difficult words too early, like magnificent, extraordinary, sophisticated, but cannot use simple words naturally. Start simple first. Simple words create confidence. Synonym upgrade trick. Instead of always saying, very good, learn, excellent, great, impressive. Lesson 4. Use ChatGPT to build speaking confidence. Confidence does not come from thinking. Confidence comes from repeated speaking. Role-play practice. Ask ChatGPT, let's do a restaurant conversation. Example 1, restaurant. ChatGPT, what would you like to order? You, I would like tea and bread. Example 2, interview. ChatGPT, tell me about yourself. You, my name is Sudais. I am learning English and improving my professional skills. Example 3, meeting a friend. ChatGPT, long time no see. How are you? You, I am fine. Recently I have been very busy. Why roleplay works? Because real situations train real language. Your brain prepares for life, not only theory. Common mistake. Trying to sound perfect. Perfection creates hesitation. Simple speaking creates fluency. Shadow practice method. Ask ChatGPT, give me 5 simple sentences. Repeat each sentence 5 times. Example, I will complete my work today. Repeat loudly. This improves fluency, speed, and pronunciation. Lesson 5, improve writing daily with ChatGPT. Writing reveals your hidden weaknesses. That is why strong learners write daily. Daily writing method. Write 5 sentences about your day. Example, today I woke up late and missed breakfast. I completed my office task. I watched an English video. Then ask, correct and make natural. Why writing works? Because writing forces your brain to organize thoughts clearly. Common mistake. Writing once and forgetting correction. Correct habit, save corrected sentences and review them later. Powerful extra prompt. Give me one beginner writing topic. Examples, my future goal, my best day, my favorite skill. Lesson 6, improve listening with ChatGPT. Many learners say, I understand written English, but spoken English feels fast. That happens because ears are not trained. Listening method with ChatGPT. Ask, write a short paragraph for listening practice. Then read it aloud or use text-to-speech. Example paragraph practice. Ali woke up early, prepared breakfast, and left for work. Then ask ChatGPT, what happened first? Repeat listening trick. Listen to one sentence 5 times. Every repetition improves recognition. Common mistake. Trying to catch every single word. Instead, understand overall meaning. That is how natural listening works. Controlled difficulty. Ask for beginner listening and then later intermediate listening. Gradual growth prevents frustration. Lesson 7, build a daily English routine with ChatGPT. Motivation starts strong, but routine creates results. Simple 20-minute routine. 5 minutes speaking, ChatGPT asks daily questions. 5 minutes grammar, correct 3 wrong sentences. 5 minutes vocabulary, learn 5 words. 5 minutes writing, write 5 lines. Golden rule white medium star. Small daily effort beats long weekly effort. So remember, ChatGPT is not magic. It becomes powerful only when you use it consistently. If you practice speaking, grammar, vocabulary, writing, and listening every day, even for a short time, your English will slowly become natural. And one day, you will notice something amazing, you are no longer translating. You are thinking in English. Now tell me in the comments, which skill is hardest for you right now, speaking, grammar, vocabulary, writing.